answered a prayer for me. And the Lord looked down and helped me and answered me. So thanks a lot for everyone that came here to help me. I appreciate it.
You gotta scoop it. Look at these guys. They're like maniacs. They're maniacs for Jesus.
I want to thank the 6 girls that came to the region in Canterbury. They did nail massage and hand massage. And the residents enjoy it.
It's going well? Enjoying yourself? Excellent. Excellent.
We'll start you off with a hand massage, okay? And then after that, we'll do your nails.
Good job, Trevor.
Thank you, dear boy. I've been slaving away. I've pretty much done them all myself.
I believe that. Was Trevor doing those other ones? Let's be honest here. I need a true confessional. No, he was just managing?
He's sitting around.
I've seen that Youth for Christ management style with Osmar, so.
Absolutely. I'm learning from the best.
Wait. Whoa. Watch out, shoes are falling. Shoes are falling.
No, don't. I think I'm getting... It only airless which one?
They're coming.
Let me hide behind Rihanna. Let's go. Okay, yeah.
Playing with glue?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
And they're sniffing it.
Don't sniff it. Do not sniff the glue. Do not sniff. Jeremy, I just said don't sniff the glue. That's good.
Yeah. This is almost like watching grass grow.
Awesome. Hey! What are you guys doing back there?
Come on in. Look at that pink lights on the side. Look at this. What, man?
You could practically eat off of that toilet.
Yes, you could.
But I wouldn't.
No, I wouldn't either.
All right.
Probably.
This is good, dude. You're getting your mop on. I like that. I like that.
All my mama's skills come in right.
I believe it. That's good. That's good. Any of you working? Are you on the Osmar work plan?
Yeah, that was our class.
Nice.
Yeah.
What you been doing?
I've been cleaning everything basically and organizing.
Okay.
Yep, I've been just vacuuming all these rooms and then reorganizing them.
Good.
I think that's Moses or Osmar, one of the other.
Could be God, too.
Yeah.
I don't know who it's supposed to be.
Well, the big thumb looks like this one.
Either way, he's a cool dude.
Yeah.
All right.
A load of
No, we're doing.
You're doing fine.
a little smiley face in there. They're all perfect.
Look at that.